Dear children, this is your social studies class and this is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and today we will be doing the lesson neighborhood services. Do you remember the last lesson, the previous lesson we did about helping hands and Monty meets helpers, people who help us, the policeman, the firefighter, the postman, the doctor, the nurse, the plumber, the electrician and the firefighter and the greengrocer, the tailor and the teacher. Do you remember? Okay, now we will learn a little bit more about them in the neighborhood services. Okay, let's start reading. This is on page number 58. When we go around the neighborhood, we see many different buildings. See, this is a neighborhood, and when we go around, we see many different buildings. Some of these buildings are small, while others are big. The buildings in which people live are called houses. Some buildings in your neighborhood are small, छोटी होती हैं, और कुछ बड़ी होती हैं, they are big. And these buildings in which people live are called houses. जिन buildings में लोग रहते हैं उन्हें houses बोला जाता है, or even apartments. Okay, now let's read further. There are other buildings too which provide us useful services. Our helpers work at these places. We live in houses, but there are other buildings and they are also very useful because people who help us stay or work in those places, in these buildings. Now let's see the first building, a post office. I'm sure nearby your home, in your neighborhood, you have a post office. A post office is an important neighborhood service. We collect postage materials like stamps, envelopes and postcards from the post office. We drop our letters in the post box outside the post office. Postmen work at a post office. The head of the post office is called the postmaster. Now what do we do? What happens in the post office? What do you collect? Let's see what all things we collect. We collect postage materials like stamps which have to be posted on the letters, envelopes and postcards from the post office. We drop our letters in the post box. This is a post box and people drop their letters in the post box outside the post office. Okay, and then postman. Who works in a post office? A postman works in a post office, and who is the head of the post office? The postmaster is the head of the post office. Okay, our letters and parcels are carried from one place to another in a mail van. Okay, our letters and parcels are carried. हमारे जो letters हैं और parcels हैं, they are carried from one place to another in a mail van. एक मेल वैन होती है. ओके, मीन्स इस वैन में, इन दिस वैन देर आर लेटर्स एंड पार्सल एंड अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच आर कैरिड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर और टेकन फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 59. Okay, now the next important office is a police station. In the previous chapter we learned about the policeman. Now let's see where he works. A policeman works in a police station. A police station is a large building. The police inspector and the sub inspectors work at the police station. Who works in a police station? A police inspector and a sub inspectors. They catch robbers. Robbers are people like thieves who snatch away things, जो चोरी करके ले जाते हैं. And even pickpockets भी वही होते हैं जो चोरी करते हैं. Okay, and put them behind bars. And these robbers and these criminals are put behind bars or in jail. They travel from one place to another in a police jeep. Now how do these policemen travel from one place to another in a police jeep? While watching television you must have seen CID, okay, Crime Patrol. Did you see that when they have to catch somebody or when they have to go somewhere, they travel in a police jeep? Okay, now let's come to the next one, a hospital. A hospital is an important neighborhood service. We go to the hospital when we are sick. Whenever you fall sick, you go to a doctor, nearby doctor, or a hospital. The doctors, nurses, and medical attendants वर्क इन अ हॉस्पिटल. हु वर्क इन अ हॉस्पिटल? कौन लोग हॉस्पिटल में काम करते हैं? डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज एंड मेडिकल अटेंडेंट्स वर्क इन अ हॉस्पिटल. अ स्मॉल हॉस्पिटल इज कॉल्ड अ clinic. There are big hospitals, okay, huge hospitals, but there are also small hospitals in our neighborhood, in our colony, okay. They are known as clinics. Nowadays there are also mobile clinics. What are mobile clinics? Clinics that are in a van, okay, big van. They are known as mobile clinics, and these clinics they go to remote areas in villages and people are treated there. Now let's read about it. Nowadays there are also mobile clinics that travel to remote places where there are no doctors. Usually in remote means like in villages, in interiors where there are no hospitals, no schools, nothing. So these mobile mobile clinics which are on a van, they go to these villages and remote areas and they give their services to the people there, okay. Now what is a market? Let's read about the market. The market is a place where there are many small and big shops. I'm sure you are having markets in your neighborhood or colony. The milk booth is one of the kiosks at the market. A kiosk, what is it? A kiosk is another word for a booth or a stall, okay, for milk. What is a milk booth called? What is where you get your milk from? It is called a kiosk, and it is another word for booth or stall for milk, okay children. Now let's come to the next. Okay, we can buy our daily needs from the shops and vendors at the market. A large building with hundreds of shops is called a shopping mall. Nowadays there are big shopping malls in our city and even in our neighborhood, okay, and there are hundreds of shops in that shopping mall, and that is what it is called, a shopping mall. A large building with hundreds of shops is called a shopping mall. And I know you all love to go to shopping malls with your friends and your family and your parents. Shopping malls are found in large cities. They are air conditioned and have many different shops. They are found in large cities like Lucknow, Bombay, Delhi, okay, and other big places, and they are fully air conditioned. All the shops are air conditioned and they have different kinds of shops, okay. Now let's come to the fire station. A fire station provides us useful service. The firefighters work at the fire station. Who works at a fire station? A firefighter. We also learned this in the previous lesson. Monty meets the helpers, okay. We learnt about the firefighters. They are very brave men. They are not coward. Brave means very strong men, और वो बहुत ही strong होते हैं, okay, वो डरते नहीं हैं. And women, even there are women also. They travel to a place on fire. They travel to a place on fire in a fire engine. They use tall ladders to rescue people and long hose pipes to put out raging fires. Their work is very important. Whenever in a neighborhood there is a fire problem, fire catches somewhere in a building or in a shop, so these firefighters, they travel in these firefighters buses, okay, and they rescue people. How do they rescue people? Through tall ladders and long hose pipes, okay, because if there is a huge building and the fire is on top of the floor, so they use the ladders to reach to the people. They bring down the people through that ladder, and through that, and then they also have hose pipes, huge pipes in which there is water that can quench the fire, okay. Now let's come to the next page. A bank is a safe place to keep money. Most people have a bank account. they deposit and withdraw money from their account. They also use the ATM. Teller and manager work at a bank. Now bank is also very important, and they are in our neighborhood or colony, and people save their money in a bank. They deposit, मतलब डिपॉजिट मीन्स उसमें पैसा डालते हैं, एंड विड्रॉ और पैसे निकालते भी हैं मनी, एंड दे ऑल्सो यूज़ ATM. ओके, आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर यूजिंग ATMs टुडे, योर पेरेंट्स आर यूजिंग ATM. Okay, and a teller and a manager work at a bank. Automated teller machine. What is an ATM known as? Automated teller machine. Okay, you can take out or even you can take out money, and you can also deposit money through ATMs also. Okay, can you name the bank in which your parents have an account? If you want, in this given space, in this given box, you can write the name of the bank in which your parents deposit their money. Okay, bus stop. A bus stop is a place where buses come and go. People stand in queues at the bus stop to board a bus. They get off when the bus comes to a halt. Halt means when they come to a stop. जब रुक जाते हैं. The conductor gives tickets to the bus passengers. Some people have a monthly or yearly bus pass. Now a bus pass is also very important because a bus stop is very important because people come here, they stand for the bus takes them to a particular place. Okay, and what does the conductor do? The conductor gives tickets to the bus passengers. People who are traveling in a bus need a ticket, and who gives the ticket? The conductor. Okay, and some people even have monthly passes or yearly bus pass. It means that every day they don't have to pay. They pay once in a month or once in a year, and then they can travel in that bus every day. Okay, now if you have ever traveled in a bus recently, you can post that bus ticket over here. Okay, now let's read the last portion. The airport and railway station are two other important neighborhood services in a city. Airports and railway stations are also very important neighborhood services in a city. Maybe many of you have an airport near your house or a railway station near your house. They are also very important. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson and you have enjoyed the lesson, and I'm sure again that you are valuing these places and those people who help you through these services. Okay children, God bless you and take care.